Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to mute the ringtone on your OnePlus device. So there are two ways to do this, but one of the easier ways is you probably have a slider button on your phone, so this one, that allows you to slide up or down. And as you can see, once you start sliding it to the top, there are two modes, so vibrate, or if you click got it, you can just select silent mode. So silent mode just turns off vibrations or even ringtones, but the vibrate just turns off ringtones but leaves your phone to vibrate when you receive a notification or a call. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.